Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to discuss question number 5 of General English Paper 2020. Before that, if you like my work, hit that like button and subscribe me. It motivates me to make more videos for you. And we have already discussed first 5 questions. Those links I will put into the description box. Then you can find it out and do it. Okay, let's start learning. Question number 5. Underline the correct word ending, selecting from those given brackets. You can get 5 marks for this question, right? Word ending. What are the word ending? There are different types of word ending methods. But today, I will explain one of those methods as a revision and most related to this question. So, before do the question, we have to know about degree of comparison, because the comparison adjectives are included in the question. So, now we are going to review degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. By the ending of this lesson, you will have a better idea about how to use positive, comparative, and superlative adjectives properly. Okay, let's see. Degree of comparison. Degree of comparison is an adjective of quality. Changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are 3 types of degree of comparisons. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, first one, positive degree. The positive degree is to use to refer to one person, object, or place without making any comparison. For example, she has a big house. She has a big house. Okay, second one, comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared the positive degree. It is used to compare 2 people, places, or objects. As an example, her house is bigger than my house. Her house is bigger than my house. Okay, superlative degree. The superlative degree is refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Okay, it is used to compare more than 2 objects, peoples, places. For example, his house is the biggest of all. His house is biggest of all. Look at this. There are 3 apples according to small. Small, smaller, smallest. Look at this. Tall, taller, tallest. There are 3 girls in order to tall, taller, tallest. Slow, slower, slowest. Okay. In order to form comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives, remember these rules. Okay, we add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonant. For example, dull, duller, dullest. Add er and est. When the positive ends in e, we add only r and st to the objective. Look at this picture. Large, larger, largest. R, st. When the positive ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add IER and IEST. Look at this. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Add IER, IEST. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Happy, happier, happiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. Look at this. Funny, funnier, funniest. Double the end and add Y. In double and add IER, IEST. Hot, hotter, hottest. Fat, fatter, fattest. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form of comparative and superlative degree. Look at this. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative form their positives. They have irregular degree of comparison. For example, good, better, best. We use than with a comparative degree. Use the with the superlative degree. As example, Nimali is taller than Malindi. Isuri is the tallest in the class. Okay. Now we move on to our question. Question number 5. Right, okay. Is it clear you? Right, okay. Underline the correct word ending, selecting from those given brackets. The Maradana College of Technology is the blank technical college in Sri Lanka. What is the answer for the blank? The Maradana College of Technology is the oldest technical college in Sri Lanka. Ravindran was also blank to his mother's wish. What is the answer for the blank? Second blank. Ravindran was always obedient to his mother's wishes. Kamal's blank information was used by an unknown person to hack into his bank account. What is the answer for blank? Third blank. Kamal's personal information. Personal means private, own information. Okay, fourth time. Asan lifted the heavy chair blank because he is very strong. What is the answer for the blank? Afford means easy. Effortlessly means without trying. If I say simply like a piece of cake, because he is very strong. Okay, fifth one. There is blank from the government for graduate to become self-employed. What is the answer for final blank? There is encouragement. Very good. Encouragement from the government for graduate to become self-employed. Encouragement means support. It's a noun. Okay. Now we are coming to the end of this session. As well, we have discussed first part of the question paper. Today we did the last one. That's the grammar and vocabulary part. You have already known you can collect 35 marks for this part. It will be very important for you to go for a higher mark. Keep in mind, if you are doing exercise again and again, you can get through your exam well. Okay. Do your exercise well. Wish you all the very best and have an amazing day.